Subscribing to VivaPhysics. When you first log in, you are given a 15-day trial to the full featured software. So for 15 days from your first login, you can see every lesson in the software, and this has lessons in the excess of 2000. After 15 days, if you do not subscribe, then it will let you log in, but you will only be able to see the first 10 lessons of each chapter. All the other lessons will be locked. Now let's see how to subscribe. One way is to click the banner that you will see upon logging in. Go towards your banner and press the Renew Now option. It shall take you to the subscription page. The other way to do it is to hover your mouse over your profile icon, and in the drop-down menu, click on the subscription option. You have the option to subscribe to only Part 1, which is your 11th standard, Part 2, which is your 12th standard, or both the parts. In the event you wish to subscribe for both, click on this checkbox. The plus icon to the left shall let you know which lessons are included in the part. For example, Part 1, the included lessons are motion, forces, work, energy, momentum, rotation and equilibrium, and more. If we check out the lessons in Part 2, we will see electrostatics, electricity, magnetism, and more. This column shows you the cost of the software. The cost is inclusive of GST. By selecting Part 1, you get access to all the lessons included under these groups, and the subscriptions are valid for 13 months from the subscription date or your current subscription expiry date, whichever is later. Before clicking the subscribe button, do check your total and also select the state that you reside in. This is important for GST purposes. However, if you are not an Indian resident, then do choose the option that says Other Territory. Click on Subscribe, enter your phone number, and the payment will be done. After successfully subscribing, it should take you back to the home page, and you should no longer see the banner telling you that this is a trial copy. If you go to your Gmail account, you should see a receipt and another tax invoice which confirms your payment. For some reason, if the amount was deducted from your account, but it shows that you have not subscribed, please send us an email at support@vivaphysics.com and we will rectify the situation. This email address is in the footer. On successfully subscribing, if you need another copy of the tax invoice, you can go again to the home page, hover your mouse on the profile icon, and go to the option that says Subscription History. This will maintain a history of your subscriptions. If you click on the payment ID, it will email a tax invoice to your Gmail account.